Hi, this is Ashish Bhardwaj.
Hi, this is Anshul. This is Raghav Singh.
So today we are here to showcase our application, which is made in a software known as Xcode, and this software is freely available to in any machine running Macintosh operating system. So we have made this application entirely in Xcode. So let me showcase you the application. Here's the application. Here's the logo of the application. Let me open it. So this is the application. So now I'd like to hand it over to Ansh Bala to give you some details about the application.
Hi, so I am Anshul. I have designed the user interface of this application. I wanted to create a user interface which makes people take more and more interest on every step. I want everyone to like the user interface from children to old people. We don't know who will be interacting with the application. I have made this a little bit modern with photographs of space in the background so people find it interesting to even see the background. Thank you. I would like to hand it over back to Ashish to give you more details about the code and the things we have done at the back.
Thank you Ansh Bala for the details about the user interface. So now I'd like to show you some of the codes of the application and how we have built this application. We have built this application entirely in Xcode and Swift language. Here is the Xcode application. I'll be showing it to you. So this is the Xcode application in which we have built the app, and here is the place where user interface has been built. Here are the code files. It won't be possible for me to showcase every file and every line of code, so you can just take a look at it. So we are testing our application and running it on a simulator which is built into the Xcode software. So this is the simulator and we are running the application in this only. So now I'd like to showcase the application to you. So here are the fun facts. So I think people love to read the fun facts as it gives some information about the planet. And here is the photo gallery. Here is the information about the planets. You can read it and you can listen the information as well. I'll tell you in a minute. So here are the information about different planets. You can click on it to read it. So from here you can listen to the information as well, as people seem to enjoy listening to the information more than they seem to read it. So this is the quiz part. I think people will love to have a quiz regarding space and outer world, as a quiz is a very fun activity and people will love it. And you can even check the score at the top. So here's the guide. If anyone has any trouble using the application, they can go to the guide and know about it. So now I'd like to give it over to Raghav Sehgal to tell you some details about the information we've used in the application.
Hi, I'm Raghav Sehgal. I've done a lot of research in getting the best fun facts and all the information. I've researched a lot to check if the information is correct or not, as we don't want to mislead the people and don't want them to leave the app as soon as they open it. To make it more interesting, I have added some fun facts which people love to read and know about. We have tried to give the most unique information in our application so that people love to read and listen to it.
Thank you Raghav for the information. This was our application. Thank you for joining it.